Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A3's time. First, make sure your car's ignition is on or in accessory mode, and that your radio or infotainment system is powered up. This ensures you can access the necessary settings. Then, find the Setup button, typically located in the lower right corner of your MMI interface, and press it to begin. Once you've pressed Setup, look at your MMI screen. You'll see options displayed. Press the upper left control button that corresponds to time/date on the screen. This action will highlight time, indicating you are now in the correct menu to make adjustments to your vehicle's clock. Now that time is highlighted, use the MMI control knob to select the hour. Rotate the knob either clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the hour to the correct setting. Once the hour is accurate, press the control knob to confirm your selection. This will then highlight the minutes, allowing you to adjust them next. With the minutes highlighted, rotate the MMI control knob to set the precise minute value. After setting the minutes, press the knob one final time to confirm. To complete the process and exit the time and date settings, simply press the return button, usually found directly below the control knob. Your Audi A3's clock is now correctly set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.